Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we discuss about an important role, which is ServiceNow full stack developer. So what is a full stack developer? What are its roles and responsibilities? Today we are going to discuss that. Let me share my screen. I have proper PDF ready for you. So here you see what is a ServiceNow full stack developer. A ServiceNow full stack developer is a professional who work on both backend and front end of ServiceNow platform. They handle server-side logic, workflow, database operations, while also design the user interface, portal, and form that end users interact with. It means they are working on a client script, they are working on backend, that is business rules, front end and backend both. They are expert in that. It means they have a good knowledge of front end as well as backend as well as JavaScript. They are also working on portals. Okay, so whatever development work as a complete project a person is doing, that is known as ServiceNow full stack developer. Okay, what are their core responsibilities? Let me discuss that. Build and customize ServiceNow application across various modules. So it is not strict to a ITSM only. It has a number of modules, means whatever the client has, whatever ServiceNow capabilities the client has, this full stack developer is responsible of developing or supervising all of these. Okay, writing server logic, writing client script, all these things I already told you. In case there is an integration also, this ServiceNow full stack developer has some knowledge or good knowledge on that, and they are involved in the integration projects as well. So when they have such a good knowledge, then in that case, they are also being used to troubleshoot and optimize the performance across the stack. It means they have to validate the script, whether the current scripts or logics are good or not, means whether they are optimized fully or not. If not, they are there to optimize it so that the system performance will be optimum and it will give good performance. So why this role is very important? It reduces the need for separate front-end and back-end developers. Yes, you do not need more developers here. If you have a full stack developer who is looking after front end and back end, he is able to deliver the complete project properly because he understands front end and back end, both type of things. Okay. So that's why it reduces the number of developer a client needs. And if you are such developer, then yes, must be a critical member of that ServiceNow team. Okay, along with that, speed up the delivery by handling complete feature end to end, because he knows both front and back. He can handle complete features. End to end project can be supported and handled by that person. Act as a single point of accountability for design and functionality. Yes, a single person is designing the solution and then implementing it as well. So that's why the solutions can be good, because he understands, and the design is obviously from that person only. Okay. And yes, high value in agile, fast paced and enterprise environment. Obviously, when we have less number of people, more accountability is there and more fast and agility you can see. So what are the key skills that are required for such a role? So server side scripting, he should know all these server side scripts. He should know all these client side utilities. Okay, integration part also, he know all type of this like REST, SOAP, auth, mid server basics, whatever encountered for the day-to-day work. Platform knowledge is also very important because he is now designing and integrating both front and back. So he should know what should be the impact if there is a change in one of the module. So here is a simple scenario, an example. If HR requests a custom onboarding portal, the full stack developer will build the form for managers, script the automation to create tasks for IT and finance team, design the UI for employee center portal, and integrate it with DocuSign to send the offer letter. You see, all type of work from 0 to 100 is being done here. He is designing, he is getting in touch with the HRs, he is building the form, he is automating it. Okay, he is designing the employee center portal, and finally he is integrating. So generally it's not only one person, there are more person as well, but generally client prefer a full stack developer who has end-to-end knowledge. So you can say in short, a ServiceNow full stack developer is the architect, builder and designer of solutions, delivering both behind the scene logic as well as user facing experience. Okay, so this is all about ServiceNow full stack developer. I will come up with one more role. Okay, share the responsibility, share why that role is important, what are the skills you need to go through if you want to, acquire that role, and one example. I hope you like it. Thank you so much.